Welcome to Decent Channel. We are conducting on-site inspections in our factory for the customized rotary drum screen bounds for our clients in the Dominican Republic. This machine is specially designed for coconut shells, activated carbon production lines. It screens crushed coconut shell raw materials to remove coconut fiber impurities and classifies finished activated carbon by particle size after activation, effectively upgrading carbon product quality and boosting overall production efficiency. Now let's walk through the complete standard operation steps of this rotary drum screen step by step. First, turn on the battery main power switch. When the machine is idle for storage, push up this switch to cut off all power supplies for safety protection. Next, operate the generator automatic control panel. Switch on the panel power. Press the button to switch to manual mode. Press the start button. The unit will run idle automatically and go through 3 countdown phases. Safety operation delayed, idle running delay, and warm-up delay. Check voltage and frequency. Stay within standard range. Then switch on the main breaker of the rotary drum screen control cabinet. The display screen and power indicator lights turn on. Press screen start buttons in sequence. Main unit feed belt conveyor, side belt conveyors, and tail conveyors. The whole screening system starts running stably. It can separate coarse coconut shell chunks, fine carbon powder, and impurities at one time. In case of dangerous faults, immediately press the red mushroom emergency stop button on the drum screen panel to cut off all running loads instantly. Our easy-to-operate durable rotary drum screen fits perfectly coconut shell-activated carbon production demands. Decent Machinery focuses on reliable screening solutions for global carbon processing factories, and we're ready to deliver tailor-made equipment and full local support for every overseas partner.